The Supreme Court has ruled that demolishing the house of an accused or convicted person based on their criminal background is illegal and unconstitutional. Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Viswanathan emphasized that determining guilt and punishment is the judiciary's role, and any demolition solely based on accusations is unconstitutional. The court highlighted that such actions violate the right to shelter under Article 21 and impose collective punishment on families. The judgment mandates compensation and accountability for officials engaging in unlawful demolitions. Binding guidelines were issued to curb bulldozer justice, including mandatory show cause notices, hearings, and video documentation of demolition proceedings. The court stressed the importance of due process and the separation of powers, warning that failure to comply would result in contempt of court and prosecution for responsible officials. This decision aims to protect individual liberty and prevent arbitrary state power abuse. The ruling does not affect actions against illegal structures on public land.